Kia ora, g'day, bonjour, hi, I'm Michaela and welcome to my kitchen. Today we're going to be making a 3-ingredient pecan cookie. Can't get much simpler than that. So we're going to take some whole pecans. Now if you wanted extra flavor, you could just toast them first, chuck them in the toaster or dry roast them in the oven. I'm not, because I don't have the time. So we're going to take them, we're going to put them in our food processor. Don't put them in the blender, you want them really nice and fine. So we're going to put them all into our food processor and I'm going to break them down till it's like a very fine meal. Or you, alternatively, if you don't want to do that, you could just buy it in the supermarket if you can find it. Like an almond flour, like a pecan meal. But I'm making my own today. You can just put this on properly. All right, here we go. Okay, so it's broken down into like a meal. You can have a look and see. Don't need this. There we go. So what you want to do is you want to measure 1.5 cups. You don't want to pack it in. That's my oven singing because I'm preheating my oven. So you don't want to pack it in because if you have too much pecans, it's going to be too dry, the cookie. So we're just going to spoon in 1.5 cups. So this was about 2 cups of, it was about 2 cups of whole pecans. There you go. You don't push it down, just measure 1 cup. And then we'll measure the 1/2 cup. And you'll have leftover. You can store it in the fridge. Airtight container, always nuts, airtight container in the fridge. So you will have leftover there. So we put our nuts in a bowl. We're going to add 4 tablespoons of maple syrup. You can always add a little bit of oil if you don't want the syrup to stick. And then we're going to add a teaspoon of vanilla. That's it. And we're going to mix it all together to get our cookie dough. Okay, here comes Sumo. So we're going to mix that all together and that's going to be our cookie. Very, very easy. Now, depending on the size of the cookie, the recipe said it made 12. There's not a ton there, so they're just going to be little cookies. So it's just a nice little bite of something sweet. It's got the protein of the nuts. Now, it's held together very nicely from the pecans. From the maple syrup. I'm going to take my tray that's got parchment paper on. Now, you can just drop little spoonfuls on, or you can roll them into balls as well. If you're going to roll them into balls, make sure your hands are a little wet. So I'm just going to take a little spoon and you can see here, just put a little spoon on, a little dollop. There we go. And then what we're going to do is I saved some pecans, some halves. You can roll them in balls like I said. And I've taken a pecan half and half the half. And we're just going to put that on the top of the cookie. So before we cook it, it'll be a nice little, make it look really nice. So I'm going to finish spooning these out. There you go. Then we're going to bake them in the oven and I'm going to come back and show you what they look like when they're all done. Okay, so I'm back. They're cooked. Now, I have never made these before. If you want a cookie that doesn't flatten out, I would definitely roll them and make the ball a little firmer. Mine were not firm, as you see, I didn't roll them, but they still turned out really well, but they're just a flat cookie. There you go, but they look really pretty with the pecan on top. So these are just flat cookies. Wait till they cool and then you can just peel them off yourself. And there you have it, a 3-ingredient, super easy cookie that looks really nice. Pecan cookie, enjoy.